How to show emergency contacts on iPhone lock screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Health application on your phone. Once you're on the summary page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner. This will take you to your personal health profile screen. From here, find and tap on the Medical ID option. You are now on the Medical ID page. Here, you can view all of your medical information. Under the Emergency Access section at the top, you will find the Show When Locked toggle. This feature allows your medical ID to be viewed by tapping Emergency on the lock screen. To enhance your privacy, simply tap on the toggle switch to turn it off. This will prevent your personal health information from being accessible when your device is locked. Following these steps, you can easily show emergency contacts on an iPhone's lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.